Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. Today we are going to do one more question on the projection of lines. The question is, the auditorium of a college is 100 meters long and 50 meters wide, and it has the height of 20 meters. A lamp is fitted at the center of the roof. So there is a light point or a lamp which is fitted at the center of the roof, and its switch is kept on one of the side walls of the auditorium, 1.5 meter above the floor and 10 meters from one of its adjacent walls. So we have to find the actual distance between the light and its switch. So this is the question. Let me show you how we can solve this question. So first of all, I will make the top view and I will utilize the data which is given. So first of all, I will make the top view of the room. So the room is 100 meters long, and I will assume the scale 1 meter is equal to 1 mm. So that is the scale which I have chosen. I have reduced the scale. So I will draw the top view first. So top view needs to be drawn in the HP. So let me first draw the top view of the room. And I have used the blue color for the light lines. So this is 100 mm and 50 mm. Okay, this is the room dimensions. So let me give the dimensions. I'll use the dimensions here. So the length of the room is 100 meter and its width is 50 meter. So this is the first thing, and what it has been said that the room has a light point which is fitted at the roof in the center. So how we can find out the center? So what I will do, I will draw the diagonals of this room. So I will join this point with this one to find the center of the room, and this one with this one. So by doing that, I know the center of the room. So this is the center of the room. So there is the light. So that light, let's keep that light L in the top view. So we know where the light is. So the light is at the center of the room. So this is what was given. Now with the given dimensions, I will draw the front view of the room. So in front view, we can only see the two dimensions, that is the length and the height. Height is 20 meters. So let me draw the XY line first. So this is the XY line. And to draw the room, I'll bring these points up here. I'll produce them here. So this will be the length of the room. And the height of the room is 20 meter. So this is how, that is 20 meter means 2 centimeters. Okay, so this is how it is. So let's give the dimensions for this. So it's 20 meters. Okay, as you know that the light point is at the center of the room, so that means if we produce this point, so this is the top view of the light, and this point indicates me the L prime. So this is my L prime. So this was L, small l, and this is L prime. Now we know where the light is in the top view and in the front view, and this is the projector which connects the top view with the front view. Now what are the other dimensions, other parameters, that is the switch parameters which are given, that the switch is kept on one of its side walls. So there are the side walls, like these are the side walls, these two, somewhere the switch is fitted on this side wall. So that switch is 1.5 meter above the floor. So I have said many a times, when something is above, that is being seen in the front view or in the VP. So we have to measure a locus line. That locus line is above 1.5 meter. So what I will do, I will measure, so that is approximately here. So I will draw a locus line here. So this is the locus line of the switch. Now one more parameter of that is given, that, and the 10 meters must be 10 meters. So 10 meters from the one of its adjacent wall. So this adjacent wall, the switch is somewhere 10 meters away. So what I will do, now we know the exact location of that switch. So from here I will mark the 10 mm. So 10 mm equal to 10 meters. So this is the point where the switch is. So this is in the front view. So I will write this S prime. So now I can directly connect this with the L prime to give me the front view. So this is my front view. My dear students, you know that the projectors of L and L prime are same. Similarly, S and S prime are same. So that means I can draw the perpendicular line from the S prime up to this wall. Now I can connect these 2 points, L with this point, to give me the S. Now this is the top view and this is the front view. This is my top view and this is my front view. But what has been asked, now we know these things, what has been asked, we have to find out the actual distance between the light point and its adjacent switch. So we have to find out the true length between the switch and the light. So nothing we need to do, we need to just rotate one of its view. I will rotate the top view. So let's keep the compass, one leg of the compass at this S and other at the L. Now I am rotating this line and I am cancelling its inclination with this adjacent wall. Fine. So this arc is intersecting with this wall, or we can say this is the locus of S. So let's keep this point as L1, where it intersects with this point. So nothing needs to be done. We need to fix the drafter, and from there I will draw the line, perpendicular line like this. Now we need to join this point with the S prime, which will give me the actual length of the line, or we can call it a true length of a line. So I will make this dark with the red pen. So this is what was required. This is my true length or actual distance between the two. How much is that? Let me find out. So that is approximately 54 meters, 53 meters. So true length is 53 meters from the switch. So we need to darken this, and this front view also needs to be darkened. Sorry, this point is my L1 prime. This is how we have to utilize the given data and pursue the question. You should know how to utilize the given data. I hope you enjoyed this question. If you enjoyed this question, please do subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon Please do share this channel with your friends and colleagues. Thank you very much for watching me.